they invited our beautiful planet and we are here and we look at them. Hello everybody.
Hello everybody.
We are now at Icon Siam. We just took the new God Line. It's it just opened like a few days ago, and we actually had a free trip. Yeah, it's really convenient to take the BTS and just coming here at Icon Siam. This is a new entrance, and now we want to see the Christmas decoration of Icon Siam. So yeah, let's go together.
You can see a little bit here already, but
Yeah.
we're sure that we will see more.
Yeah, we can already see that it will be beautiful. So yeah, let's go. We will go to we will enter into the mall and we'll go outside at the opposite exit.
Yeah. It's the first time we take this entrance.
Yeah. And because usually we take the boat, the free shuttle boat. Wow, it's beautiful here.
There is already decoration here.
Big Christmas tree. So we also did a video about the God Line. If you want to see more, how to go, how to come here with the BTS. So don't hesitate to check out our channel and to see more about how to come here. And
Can
Yeah.
be useful, I think.
yeah.
If you don't know. Can we take the middle path, please?
Yes, we can.
Yay.
Look how it's beautiful here.
ค่ะรับรองว่าท่านไม่ผิดหวังแน่นอนนะคะรอบนี้หมดพลังของโอ๊ตแล้วหวังเป็นอย่างยิ่งว่าท่านจะมีความสุขกับเราในการช้อปปิ้
I
ง
think that Icon Siam is one of the most beautiful shopping mall, no?
Yeah, I agree.
ช่วงนี้ทุกท่านนะคะรักสุขภาพด้วยเวลาเดินไป
It's so pretty here. They think about everything.
Yeah, I think they wanted to put something beautiful in every details
Yeah.
of the shopping mall.
We also did a tour actually of Icon Siam.
Ah, yes,
if
true.
I remember.
Yeah.
A video on this. So in our channel also.
Yeah, check out our channel. On our video, we explore different floor of a shopping mall.
Sure we did. So many expensive brands also
Yeah, Christian Dior.
from Paris.
Christian Dior de Paris. Hein. Here we have some artists. Art.
Yeah, I
I'm not
think it's the
sure.
one in Chiang Rai.
Yeah,
For the
I'm
Black
not sure.
Black Temple.
Yeah, actually, we thought about the artist of the Black Temple,
Yeah, I don't remember the name, but
At
yes,
Chiang Rai.
I'm going to take this.
but it's just that the style.
Yeah, it's similar. We went there once.
Yeah, it was 2 years, no,
No, 3 years already.
3 years ago, and yeah, the style really looks similar, like this kind of bench. And yeah. So this floor, it's mostly luxury
Yeah.
brands like Dior, Fendi, Louis Vuitton.
We don't have money for this, huh?
So sad. No, we are not sad. It's okay. Ah, we have Cartier also. Actually, I don't know how to say this brand in English because it's French and we are
Yeah.
always happy to say in French, like Cartier, Louis Vuitton, Saint Laurent, Prada. So yeah, in English I'm not sure, like the Prada, Saint Laurent, Saint Saint Laurent. You have Hermes here, Dolce Gabbana. Yeah, so mostly if you have money. So now we are going to opposite side. So usually we came from here because it's from here that you
Get up from the boat, the
Yeah.
shuttle boat.
yeah, from the shuttle boat, the free shuttle boat of from Saint-Taksin BTS.
It will be still free with this new Gold Line. I don't know.
Yeah, I think so. I hope so. Oh, nice
Will
here.
remain free. I was looking for this word.
Lot of lights here. Really beautiful. There are more people here also.
Oh, look at this. To the left, guys.
Yeah.
Let's go there first and then finish.
Yeah. Okay. Let's go see the decoration.
You can show the boat. I think it's a party boat, this one.
Yeah. So we are just near the river, the Chao Phraya River. And yeah, look at how it's beautiful. A lot of people here taking beautiful pictures. And here we have some condo. I heard that this tower is the tallest one in Bangkok, but I'm not sure. I don't know.
Doesn't look like.
Yeah, it doesn't look like. Okay, here we have Hilton Hotel, Sheraton. Yeah, so pretty luxury hotels around the river, along the river. So about the Icon Siam shopping mall, it's pretty new actually.
Yeah, maybe 2 years. Huh?
Maybe, yeah. I think
Yeah.
it was 2 years ago. 2 years ago they opened this mall, and now there's always people coming here to see the beautiful mall decoration, to shop, and there is also a lot of things to eat at the food court that is at the basement.
And the souk area.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah, the souk area. And they also do a lot of events here, like the Loy Krathong, the New Year Eve, I think also.
Yeah, sure.
So yeah, I think almost all the main events they organize here at this place. And there is also a show, a light show, with
every night.
light show or water show, I'm not sure, but
Yeah, the light
Yeah.
water show. Yeah, every night. I think it's from 4 or 5. Yeah, I think it's one of the biggest in the south of Asia, right?
Shopping mall?
No, for the light show.
Ah, yeah?
For
I
the
didn't know.
light water show. It's one of the biggest, largest in Southeast Asia.
Okay. I didn't know that.
I read this somewhere, maybe on the Icon Siam website.
Okay. Yeah, so the water show happens here usually. I think it starts from 7 p.m. or 6 p.m. I forgot.
Okay. What is this man?
I don't know, but it's huge. There is this man, but another man there. Okay, what is this?
It's in Thai.
Ah, but the title of this
What's
is...
that?
What's that? Okay, so we just read the description, and if we understand well, it's about two giant guys coming from afar, and so they are invading our fantastic planet. So that's why it's called Fantastic Planet. Yeah, so it was inspired by a French movie actually, La Planète Sauvage. We don't know this film, but maybe we will check it later. But yeah, so this guy, they invaded our beautiful planet and they are here and we look at them. Yeah, it's really beautiful. So many lights here.
Wow.
Nice.
Pretty, isn't it?
Yeah, really nice. It's like Disney World.
Okay guys, it was really nice to explore this part of Icon Siam with all the decoration. So hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to watch more video like this. And yeah, see you in the next one.